Yeah.
Stopped. It's a dead jet.
No, it can't be.
Nothing. Kick it. Don't pick it up because it might not be a dead. Just kick it. I said don't kick it because it might not be a dead. Just. Oh, you.
Was that you or us?
That was
just
that.
Exploded. That's why we're not holding.
Well, it didn't do anything, and I told Jarrett to go and kick it because it wasn't doing anything, and then Jarrett went to go kick it, and then it exploded.
That was cool. I thought it was one of those lady fingers. Oh, you sexist. Your mom's sexist. Oh. Hey, there you go. Hold this. Use this. Oh, yeah, all of this. David. Whistling. It's whistling table up there.
Where are you lighting?
Another one of these.
This chair feels like it's gonna break on me.
Oh, it probably will.
It keeps scooting on its own.
I didn't actually see how bad this is gonna turn out.
And you miss.
Fail. Fail. Bang!
Epic fail. By
Light 'em
this
off.
guy. Move, Joe.
Come on. No. Drop it. Oh no. Oh God. One didn't pick it up. More much? No. Ah, fuck it. Get it, hook your hand up. Well? Okay. No, don't hold your hand up behind. What about half of them? I wonder. Hold on. Perfect timing, almost.